Are going to use this microphone like what do you call this? EM91C large diaphragm condenser. This is a condenser microphone. Same lang yung isa. Ito, ano to?
USB type kasi siya.
Ito namang Hyper Podcast. Isa lang. May pasok.
USB type.
So, gagamit kami ng audio mixer, which is this one. Audio mixer, hindi. Ano nga, sound card pala, sorry. Ito, yan yung sound card. Gagamitin namin. And then, mga cable para sa microphone pala sa pag-recording. And then, yeah. Yung camera. And, we'll see later, mamaya. So, syempre, kailangan meron ka ring headphone. Ito ang headphone ni Rodney, tas yung white yung sa akin. Gusto mo yung blue? Hindi, ito na lang black sa akin. Kaya nga, pang monitor ng tabi. Wala nang ganyan. Eh, mas maganda kasi yung may ganyan.
Para mag-shoot ka?
Hindi, pag magre-record. Behind the scene.
Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours.
Mistulang artista ang aking nakita, dahan-dahang lumalapit. May pa-slow mo na moment,